Welcome everybody, this is Tahira from TechPIXIM. The tutorial video you are about to watch is all about making money with Google Translator. Let's see what is Google Translator and how it works to make money. Google Translator is basically Google's free service, instantly translates text and websites between English and over 100 other languages. How it works: dropping one language text to translate it to another language you want to. Let's see how it works. All I need to do to open Google Translator first, I type Google Translator in Google search engine for this screen. For now, I already copied some text and popping it into Google Translator right here. It will detect our text language easily as it is detected our text is in English. Now I'm gonna selecting the language whom I want to translate. For example, English is selected by default. Now I'm selecting Italian. Now our text is converted to Italian. I'll translate it to Italian. You can change any language like Japanese or Indonesian, Arabic. After that, you can copy the text, you translate it, and you can use it where you want. Let's come back to how to earn with Google Translator. Let's get some projects from Fiverr to translate. Here is how we can get projects. We will type fiverr.com in the Google search engine or Fiverr in the Google search engine. Then we will have to go to Fiverr's official website, or you can open it by typing here fiverr.com. In this tab, you have to search convert one language to another or translate one language to another. Here, you can check people are getting dollars by just translating. You can see this person who have 5-star ratings starting from $5. One order in the queue. And you might also check this person. I will do multilingual translations in 11 languages. He is providing service in English, French, Japanese, Spanish, German, Dutch, and furthermore. He is starting from $10. He is charging $10 for one order. He has 10 orders in queue for now. They are not the orders he is completed before. These are all new orders he is getting from different consumers or customers. You can check many other people, like I will make captions. This is different. I will translate any text from English to Arabic in 48 hours or less. This is not the game of 48 hours. This is just 2-minute game. This is not a big deal. Now, you people might think, what is Fiverr and how to get such projects over there? You can check what is Fiverr and how to create services or gigs on Fiverr, and how to get orders, and how to transmit, and how to deliver orders to your customers. All the details are in my previous videos. You can check them. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press bell icon so that you don't miss more interesting videos.